Register at www.spreaker.com. Sign up without using Facebook. You can change the language at the bottom of the web page. Click on Broadcast and type into the fields then click Next. You can record your radio show. Click on Record a new podcast. Then the red button, then Speak. After your recording, click on the Record button again. Now you can listen to your recording by clicking play on the pre-player. Welcome to Cyber School Radio. Check out our news. When you are satisfied, click close in the top right corner. If you want to add sound effects, click on the plus next to sound effects. Search for a sound effect, listen to it, and then click Add and close. When you're finished with your radio show, click this Publish button here and click on Yes, Publish. Then click Edit to add details. Then choose a category then click Save, then click Next. Now click on your episodes, click on your recorded episode, then click Share, then copy the URL. Provide this URL to your students. If you click the black arrow pointing downwards, you can also download your show.